On Tuesday, the Delhi High Court dismissed the bail pleas of activists Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, Gulfisha Fathima and 6 others in a UAPA case linked to Delhi riots of 2020. This verdict was pronounced by a division bench of Justice Naveen Chawla and Justice Shalinder Kaur. The other accused include Atar Khan, Khalid Saifi, Mohammad Salim Khan, Shifaur Rahman, Miran Haider and Shadab Ahmed. Taslim Ahmed, another co-accused in the same case, was also denied bail by a Delhi High Court coordinating bench consisting of Justices Subramanian Prasad and Harish Vaidyanathan Shankar. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the Delhi police, told the court it was a conspiracy to defame India on a global level. Mehta said, and I quote, "If you do anything against your nation, you better be in jail till you are acquitted." He also argued that the riots were not spontaneous but were planned well in advance with a sinister motive of dividing the country, accusing the defendants of orchestrating a well-thought-out conspiracy. So what's the case against Umar Khalid, Gulfisha Fathima, Sharjeel Imam and others? In February 2020, as nationwide protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act intensified, violence erupted in northeast Delhi. On 23rd February, incited by the hate speech of BJP leader Kapil Mishra, armed mobs targeted Muslim neighborhoods in northeast Delhi and assaulted residents in front of the police. The mob set fire to public property and tortured Muslim men. With the active election-driven hate campaigns of the right wing, this spiraled into 3 days of bloodshed across northeast Delhi, leaving 53 people dead, hundreds injured, and entire neighborhoods reduced to ashes. But what followed in parallel in the courts was in many ways just as consequential. On March 6, 2020, just 18 days before the NDA regime declared a nationwide lockdown, the Delhi Police Special Cell registered FIR 59 of 2020 alleging a larger conspiracy behind the riots. The charge sheet filed on September 16, 2020 cited protest, civil disobedience, WhatsApp conversations, speeches, and financial transactions as the basis of an expansive narrative of a terror conspiracy. Over time, 18 accused, mostly student leaders and activists including Dr. Umar Khalid, Devangana Kalita, Natasha Narwal, Asif Iqbal Tanha, Safura Zargar and Sharjeel Imam were arrested under the FIR. While some were already in custody in related cases, FIR 59 of 2020 became the prosecution's keystone. Natasha Narwal, Devangana Kalita, Asif Iqbal Tanha and Safura Zargar were granted bail by the High Court in 2021. Umar Khalid and others had approached the High Court after being denied bail by a lower court. They also asserted that they are entitled to be released on bail on the grounds of parity with their co-accused, who were granted bail by the High Court in 2021. Human rights bodies say the denial of bail to activists is suppressing the voice of dissent. According to reports, Khalid Saifi and Sharjeel Imam will move the Supreme Court to challenge the bail denial by the Delhi High Court.